We're going to make some oven-baked chicken cutlets. We're going to bake in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes at 375 or panko so we can get a little bit more brown color. Then we're going to whisk together 3 eggs and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and feel free to also add Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to add a 1/3 cup of flour of your choice, and then we're going to season our cutlets with pepper and salt. And we're going to put the cutlet in the flour and then in the egg mixture, and then we'll add it into the breadcrumbs. We're going to put this on some parchment paper. We're going to bake it at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165. There you go. So good. So delicious. You'll love these.